So today guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a perfect vegetable spinach using fish, chicken, tomatoes and pepper and paprika, onions, salt and Maggi. So first we have to wash the spinach very well because sometimes there's sand inside. You have to properly wash it with a little bit of hot water. This is how it looks after slicing it on. So I'm going to be washing it now. Adding my water to it. The water has to be a little bit hot. So this is the chicken. I already mixed the chicken with paprika, oil, some thyme, curry, and something like that. And this is the spinach after washing it. So this is the red oil, palm oil from West Africa. I'm going to be using. You can see it anywhere in Afro shop. So this is pepper, because some people don't like chili or something like that, but we from West Africa, we love chili. So starting, we'll be frying the chicken on the fish. So I just add the oil to the pan just for frying the chicken. But for the spinach, I'm going to be using the palm oil, so that will bring out the taste of it. So we start by frying the chicken. Just fry the chicken and leave it to fry like. When the chicken is being fried, so I will be frying the onions, the tomatoes and the paprika together with the red oil. You can see it guys, step by step. First I'll be adding my onions. Just stir it, add it step by step. So the next, add your tomatoes. Stir everything together. So you add a little bit of salt to it. And keep stirring it. So after that, you add your pepper, and just take it with hand and stir it. So you leave it to cook like 2 minutes. So we shall come from the chicken. It's already been fried. And just remove it. So I had the remaining left one. The next step, so I had my paprika. Just everything together. You can see it guys. So this is the spinach. I had my spinach to eat. People think the spinach is a lot, but you know spinach is like a water. Just keep turning it till everything is well mixed up. Just keep turning it. So you can see it, guys. I had the fish to eat, and you just stir everything together. You can see, bring out the loaf, and you add your Maggi to it, seasoning cube. Just add one. After I add the seasoning cube to it, so I add a little bit of salt. Stir everything together. You see it, guys. So you just stir everything together and make sure everything is well mixed. Just leave it to cook like 5 to 6 minutes. So the spinach is ready. So I forgot, I'm going to add a little bit of crayfish, grounded one, to it. So crayfish will bring out the taste of the spinach, of the vegetable. So that is why I add into it. You can see it, guys. So now I cover it and leave it to cook for 5 minutes. So we just check it after 5 minutes. You can see it, guys. So I add my chicken to it. So just stir it together. It's ready. It's not that hard. Like if they say you can eat spinach with potato, yam, rice, with fufu, but I'm going to be eating it with fufu. So it's ready, guys. You can see it. This is the finished process, guys. You can see the fufu I make. This is plantain fufu, and this is the spinach. So that is the finished process.